What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We have a Jordan 11. A Jordan 11 from Nike that costs the same amount of money as a PlayStation 5. You pick. I already made my pick. But you pick which one you taking. The PlayStation 5 or are you taking the Air Jordan Adapt version 1.0 year 2020? Okay. It's ironic I got these in 2021. Let's go through this whole little setup. So it's teaching you how the lace system works, because if you don't know, the Jordan 11s will, the first Jordan 11 ever that will tie its shoe. It's self-tying. You don't have to tie it. If you're just so lazy, you're like, hey, I just spent as much as a PlayStation 5. Why would I ever want to tie my own shoe? Are you freaking joking? So, hey, perfect. This paper, they give you like this like super thin like paper from like Mars or something. Cause you're like, you know, I'm like a boss right now. So like, I'm not just settling for any old paper. Like, literally, if I'm not playing Spider-Man, I better have some crazy paper. Don't know what's in here. Couldn't tell you. Jordan 11 adapts, and this paper's tripping me out. I don't even want to think about that. Jordan 11 adapts. But yes, Jordan 11 adapts. This is a Jordan 11 that will tie its own shoe with this like weird lace system. You press the little plus minus buttons on the side here and it will tie and shrink and, you know, just be a Jordan 11 adapt. I would expect to see some NBA players wearing them in game. This is just not my favorite shoe. The lace thing is cool, but do I want to pay as much as a PlayStation 5? No. I would, if this was $250, I'd be like, yo, we in it. Adapts, look at me, man. Like, I would be at the gym like, hold on, hold on. And then like, come on, I don't know. And if I like got crossed or something, I'd be like, my shoes were laced up, like they weren't tight. And then I would tie them and be like, you will never cost me a day of your life ever again. But I don't know. It's just an interesting shoe. I'm not really feeling the colorway that much. Now, think about it. If they made it like a Concord and then with the black self-tying laces, we're all in. Everybody's like, yo, and we outside squaring up like, yo, let me get my shoe. But this colorway I've never seen in my life, yeah, I don't know. It's $500 at the end of the day. Let me know if you like the Jordan 11 adapts. It's crazy because like, I thought this was gonna be a shoe that didn't sell out. People were gonna be like, please take these off my hands. And like offering like, you only had to pay like 400 bucks. But no. These sat on the site for maybe like 5 minutes, which was weird. Sold out, and then the very next day on StockX, now they're selling for 900. I don't know what's wrong with people. We in a pandemic, y'all. I guess some people in a pandemic. I ain't even go. I don't know, but I can't afford these. So Nike, have fun with these. Right back. Shout out everybody. Jordan 11 adapts. Mark Hicks. I don't know, man. I don't know. Tie your own shoes. How about that?